What's taking you so long? I'm getting bored.
Okay, we're...
I know what to do. That thing's huge! Did I just level up?
Large asteroid headed for home planet.
It's the end of the world! As usual, I'm prepared. I have a secret underground bunker.
Why didn't we know about it?
Because it's not a famous underground bunker. It can withstand anything. Zombie apocalypse, misguided people handing out pamphlets, a robot uprising. It's just as I left it. Pristine and untouched by anyone. Oh!
Come to think of it, maybe I did know about it.
Clean this place up. Restock the rations and get that mustache off my mustache. I have a plan. Our planet is about to be hit by a giant asteroid. Come with me if you want to pay. I mean, live.
Really? We're about to be obliterated by a giant asteroid scheme?
This asteroid is real, which I'll admit takes some joy out of the scheme, but you gotta dance with the girl what brung you. Go on, laugh, but you won't be laughing when you're crushed by a giant meteor. That's only funny when it happens to someone else. Comedy 101, people!
I can spot anything coming at us with my telescope.
How is a telescope different from a telescope?
It's not. A giant asteroid coming to destroy us!
This is just an alien invasion cover-up. I hope it's the aliens who help us build stuff, not the ones who eat us.
If my calculations are correct, the asteroid is on a direct course for this planet.
Oh, asteroids fly by all the time. What are the chances it'll actually hit us?
100%.
I can live with those odds.
I think the best move would be to deflect the meteor.
So is it a meteor or an asteroid?
That's a good question.
No, it's not. He's just trying to distract us so he can sell spots in his bunker.
Our best bet is to blow up the asteroid and send it off its current course.
Or we can let it hit us, and by us I mean everyone who hasn't paid to live in my bunker.
I suggest we have everyone jump at the same time and throw our planet off its orbit.
I'm thinking Tails should figure this out by himself.
In the meantime, I'm going to hide in Eggman's secret bunker.
I was just going to suggest that myself.
I'm gonna be rich!
You know, money will be useless if there's no civilization.
I'm now basing my decision on who's most bunker-worthy. Each of you must write a one-page essay on why you deserve to be saved.
Could it be double-spaced?
It's no use. I can't figure this out. Wait a minute.
Well, just because it's the end of the world doesn't mean I shouldn't look my best.
That's it! We can use mirrors to aim solar rays at the asteroid. The heat imbalance will bump it off course. We just need lots of mirrors.
This is either a mirror or the portal to a parallel universe where my evil twin is trapped. Be gone, evil sticks!
Ready? Aim! Fire! There's too much space debris between us and the meteor. I can't shoot it from here.
Is there a hyphen in bunker-worthy?
These essays are awful. Looks like my evil scheme to underpay teachers came back to bite me. Cubot, go out and have them draw straws. Maybe I should pick someone I hate. With Sonic gone, I'll need a new nemesis.
I like the bendy one.
Our only choice is to shoot it from space.
We'll have to borrow Eggman's rocket.
He'll never let us use it. He wants the asteroid to hit.
Unless...
Thank you. Congratulations! You're my 5 finalists. The rest of you go home to your doom. meaning of this?
You have to follow alternate side of the street parking regulations, even in the middle of the jungle.
Okay, ground control. I'm ready for my mission.
Sonic, we think Knuckles should go.
What? No way!
He's the only one strong enough to lift the machine if something goes wrong.
But how often do I get to literally save the world?
According to the TV listings, about once a week.
Sacrificing your glory for the common good is also very heroic.
Okay, then I guess Knuckles and I will both be heroes.
But I'm the hero going into space to save the day.
Knuckles, the solar convergence device, or as I like to call it, the solar convergence device, has been loaded into the egg rocket. When it comes up alongside the asteroid, you'll have to activate the solar convergence device.
Tails, we don't have a lot of time here. Can you shorten the name of that thing?
Fine. The SCD.
The what?
The SCD.
The what?
The SCD. The solar convergence device.
Oh, why didn't you say so?
You'll need to activate it, then get away from the asteroid as quickly as possible.
Got it.
The first step is to set the calibration lever to 47 degrees.
What's the opposite of got it?
It's okay. I wrote it down for you. With pictures.
Knuckles, the asteroid is about to crash into us. You need to hurry.
Oh, sorry. I was trying to be dramatic.
Knuckles, as you approach the asteroid, its magnetic interference will disrupt radio communication.
Do you think he'll be able to do this?
As long as he has this list. Uh-oh! What did I give Knuckles?
Milk, tomatoes, tail conditioner. Well, these instructions are more complicated than I thought. I'll just have to wing it. Oops, that's 7 years bad luck. But who gets it? Me or the machine? Well, that worked out well for me. Except that the asteroid is still headed for the planet and I'm all alone in space. Looks like I'm gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. Computer, open the doors.
I'm sorry, Knuckles. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Looks like I'm gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. I'm sorry to do this to you, asteroid, but I've got a lot of friends on that planet.
Knuckles should have been back in radio range by now.
It should have been me.
Knuckles, can you hear me?
Yeah!
Tails?
Knuckles, you made it! Did my solar convergence device work?
It kinda broke. But being a hero, I took care of the asteroid. Smashed it to bits.
Knuckles, all those pieces are gonna come crashing down on us!
Yeah! I mean, oh, that's terrible.
sent back some great pictures. I can't believe Knuckles landed on the asteroid.
Me neither. That was obviously shot on a soundstage.
Knuckles might have gone to space, but I kept 30 pieces of the asteroid from destroying us.
I counted 31 pieces.
I call top bunk.
This is gonna knock your socks off!
All new episodes of Super Noobs at 4 and all new episodes of Uncle Grandpa at 4:30 every weekday.
I'm skeptical.
It's true! All new Super Noobs at 4 and all new Uncle Grandpa at 4:30.
One more time.
All new Super Noobs at 4 and all new Uncle Grandpa at 4:30.
Now this is exciting television.
I cannot stop the watching of it.
An all new Super Noobs and an all new Uncle Grandpa starting at 4 every weekday.